Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to boot with safe mode in Windows 11. First method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Boot tab. Check Boot, click Apply, click OK. Click Restart. Right Start button, click Run. Type msconfig, click OK. Click Boot tab. Uncheck Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK. Second method is click Start. Hold Shift key, click Restart. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Press F4 key to enter safe mode. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.